Hello, everybody. Welcome to Health Vantage channel. Today I have a serious 30-minute full-body HIIT exercise that you can do comfortable with no equipment required. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, is a fabulous method for consuming fat, form muscle, and lift your perseverance. In this way, get a towel, some water, and we should get everything rolling. During the warm-up portion, you perform light exercises. Okay, we should start with a fast get ready to prepare our bodies. Warm-up activities, each for 30 seconds. 1. Walk set-up. 2. Arm circles. 3. Slant lunges. 4. Knees up. 5. Doing jump jacks. Well done. Let's get started on the main workout now that we've warmed up. We'll complete 10 activities, 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. Always proceed at your own pace and pay attention to your body. First task, burpees. First up, you have burpees. We should go. You encourage viewers as you demonstrate burpees. For 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off, perform this exercise. Second exercise, hop squats next. Hop squats. Land softly and with a tight core. For 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off, perform this exercise. Practice 3, climbers on the mountain down to the mat for climbers. Bring your knees up toward your chest. Do this activity for 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. Fourth exercise, board jacks. Remain down for board jacks. Keep your body in an orderly fashion. For 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off, perform this exercise. Fifth exercise, high knees. Back up for high knees. Get those knees as high as possible. For 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off, perform this exercise. Practice 6, the time has come for push-ups. Change kneeling down, assuming that you really want to. Do this activity for 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. Seventh exercise, bouncing thrusts that are close to hop rushes. Switch legs in the air. Do this activity for 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. Eighth exercise, bike crunches. Rests for bike crunches. Inverse elbow to knee. For 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off, perform this exercise. Ninth exercise, find a chair or use the floor for tricep dips, says the instruction. Do this activity for 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. Last exercise, star jumps. Complete with star jumps to finish strong. Give everything you have. For 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off, perform this exercise. During the cool-down part, you do some light stretches. Everyone did a great job. How about we cool down with some stretches? Cool-down stretches, each for 30 seconds. 1. Forward overlap. 2. Stretch the quads on each leg. 3. Shoulder stretch, each arm. 4. Hamstring stretch while seated. Child's pose. Keep in mind to drink plenty of water and have a healthy snack for fuel. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to rate it, follow the channel, and click the bell icon to never miss another one. Please let me know how you did and which workouts you would like to see next in the comments section below. Gratitude for going along with me, and I'll see you in the next video.